In order to resize an image, we're just going to have her selected and say I know that I want her to be 4 inches wide. When I have her selected, you can see I have my transform tools up here. I'll just make sure my lock is selected so that I have proportional scaling. And if I know I want her 4 inches wide, I'll just click 4, hit tab, and it'll automatically scale it proportionally. And that's how you resize an image. If you want to adjust the resolution, you would go to Image, Image Size, and here you can see the resolution pops up here. So if I want her to be 300 resolution, maintain aspect ratio and apply. And now that's a 300 DPI image.